Welcome to our hands. If you are a civil engineer working in Dubai or any other place using the same way of building, if you are a landowner and want to know how to build the house of your dream professionally and can follow all the stages of building your home, and be sure that your dream home is built professionally, starting from digging the building land and even handing over the key, then you are absolutely in the right place.
Attach a copy of a valid professional license and membership certificate issued by the Department of Economic Development in the Emirate of Dubai and other entities licensed by the Government of Dubai. The contractor must submit an official letter stating the prices in numbers and letters, written in Arabic or English, with the approval of the bill of quantities by stamping and signing. The contractor must attach the schedule of quantities with a single price for each item. The contractor must committed by the price and the period according to the offer submitted. In the tender. General notes: in a construction contract, refer to a section that provides important general information, instructions, guidelines, and terms that apply to the entire construction project. These notes are typically found at the beginning of the contract documents and serve as a reference point for contractors, subcontractors, designers, and other parties involved in the project. General notes help establish the framework for how the project will be executed and what is expected from all parties. Contract identification: the contract number, date, and parties involved, e.g., owner, contractor, architect. Scope of work: a brief overview of the project scope, including a description of the work to be performed. Contract documents: reference to the specific contract documents that comprise the agreement, such as drawings, specifications, addenda, and other project-related documents. Project location: the address or location of the construction site. Permits and approvals: information regarding necessary permits, licenses, and approvals required to commence and complete the work. Contractor's responsibilities: general expectations of the contractor, such as adhering to safety regulations, managing subcontractors, and complying with project specifications. Owner's responsibilities: any responsibilities the owner must fulfill, such as providing access to the site, securing necessary rights of way, and supplying utilities. Schedule and timeline: general information about the project schedule, including start and completion dates. Contractor's insurance and bonds: requirements for the contractor's insurance coverage, bonds, and liability. Payments and billing: information about progress payments, retainage, and invoicing procedures. Change orders and amendments: procedures for requesting and approving changes to the contract scope, specifications, or drawings. Submittals: instructions for submitting shop drawings, samples, and other required documents for review and approval. Quality control and testing: instructions for quality control, materials testing, and inspections. Safety and environmental requirements: general safety rules and requirements, as well as any specific environmental considerations. Dispute resolution: general guidelines for resolving disputes, such as mediation or arbitration procedures. Warranties: information about warranties and guarantees for workmanship, materials, and equipment. Signatures and acceptance: space for signatures of authorized representatives, indicating acceptance of the terms and conditions. It's important to carefully review and understand the general notes section of a construction contract, as it sets the groundwork for the entire project. If you have any questions or concerns about the content of this section, it's recommended to consult with legal professionals or construction experts to ensure clarity and compliance.